For context, we're going to look at growth drivers and business risk throughout this course using the following framework. As we know, a business operates within an industry, and that industry fits into the broader economy. We'll start by assessing the external economy and the business environment and its potential impact on the business itself. We call this a top-down approach. Then we'll get into the industry and its impact on the business before finally looking at the company itself. By using this framework, we can be very structured and very specific in our approach to assessing growth drivers and business risks. Let's explore each of these in a little more detail. When it comes to assessing the external business environment, we're going to use a framework called pastel analysis, where we look at political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal impacts as far as the economy goes and the bigger picture impact on the business. Within the industry chapter, we're going to look at Porter's 5 forces, which shows the degree of industry rivalry and how attractive an industry is based on several key measures. Next, we'll look to better understand the concept of an industry life cycle, which will have a major impact on both growth prospects and on risk. The last section is at the company level, where we'll look to better understand competitive positioning and competitive advantage before unpacking Ansoff's matrix. Finally, we'll tie everything together by introducing a SWOT analysis where we look at the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By combining all 3 of these layers of the framework, we can assess the company's overall opportunities for growth, as well as what kinds of headwinds it might be facing. It could be that you have positive forces at one level and negative forces at another, so taking a comprehensive approach is very important. Once we understand all these different levels, we'll start to consider how they affect financial analysis, whether that's in support of management doing internal projections, equity researchers conducting valuations, or credit professionals assessing the creditworthiness of a prospective borrower.